It's a winner's mentality. 2 more wins and we get the first piece of fucking silverware this club has had.
Hey! Literally, I'm either too hot or too cold.
Yes! That's the team, and that's how we're starting today. You've got to go out and work for each other, lads. We need a win. Quarter-final, we need a fucking win. Yeah?
Corners, boys, yeah? With corners, to start a bit further back and run onto the ball. We're all on top of the ball.
But that's why we don't want him on the fucking keeper now.
Yeah?
Because he will actually run and attack it. Go
That's
on!
what I'm saying. Everyone has attacked the ball, man.
Oh, fucking hell, man.
Bit in, just make your pass quick. So many times we just lose the ball, just give it down in here.
Yeah, I got Brandy in there.
But when you have got a chance and you've got literally 2 seconds to set yourself, just put it in.
Get it in anyway.
What's the worst that's going to happen? The fucking keeper's going to collect it.
Come on, Eddie! Confidence on the ball! Ready then, boys!
Oh, that's straight, Shane. Pressure on. Get out there, man. Stay there, stay there.
Can we stand in, Brand? Cover for keeps. Good. Good defending, that Go on, Mitch! Fucking football! He's off! He's off the ball, doesn't work! Against! Love that! Shots! Let's go! Let's fucking go! Fucking football! He's off! He's off the ball, doesn't work!
Come on, right! Stay with good. Yes, he's roll it, roll it! He's in there!
Great!
That's it!
Ref! Fucking hell.
Towards the middle, Tiz! Time! Turn on it! Loads of time! Turn on it!
Oh. No.
That was it the first time. How many times are you going to do this, ref? Do what? How many times are you going to do this? It's so late every time, referee. So late.
What are we cooks?
Come on! Fight!
Big way! Just shut up! Shut up!
Come here, Magic!
Another fucking let off!
Time, son! Time!
I can see that it's gone sideways.
Will, get the shape!
Fucking pull it!
Shout it louder.
Where are you, Keith?
How easy is that? It's too easy!
Where are you, Keith? There's a fucking ball! Come on. Fucking ref! Throw the ball away, ref!
Shit out.
That's a red card!
Fuck him off.
Throw the ball away!
Put your arms down! Just listen to him! Listen to him, Sean! This shit!
Don't let talk to you like that, ref.
I'm off with that one, man.
Thank you, Ref. Nice, switch on. Switch on.
Come on! Scotty, in! Come on, quick as you can, let's go!
Hold the coops. Keep off the line, Lee. Have we gone to 4 now? What? Gone to 4? Oh. So who's the centre? Who's the centre of the... Billy, handball! Handball! No way! No way! Step up, Az. No way! No way! Hey, ref, rolling ball! Oh, rolling ball, ref! Switches on! Richo, cover! Be ready for back stick! Be ready, Richo! Back stick's coming over! It's coming! Back stick, come on! Bang! Oh, fuck you! Get that commentary in as well, I knew I'd seen it.
Let's go! Ref, follow!
Close the gap! Close the gap! What's going on? Goes! Finish! First time! Finish! That was a great pass from Tick first time.
Come on, seconds!
Backs, one more. I want to see that one on Ricey when you've done that. I want to see that. I'm sure my eyes...
What, the one in the box? Absolutely was.
I'm sure our eyes didn't deceive me then.
Shit! Come on, Ricey! Time! Get there, Ricey! Time!
He didn't want to give it. Didn't want to give it.
Go!
Why is he got to wait for him to moan about it?
Isn't it?
Backs. Ball in. Good lad.
Oh.
Weren't bad. Effort. I don't know why every time it's over the top. Why can't we recognise? Oh shit! I don't know why I shouted that.
Because you said fucking short.
Wait, it was like, what is
You cold for that shit, mate. Tell me. Hey! See you later. Literally, I'm either too hot or too cold. Yes! Get in, Ricey. Come on, 10 minutes, 10 men.
He got as soon as he went one.
Literally, I'm either too hot or too cold. Yes! Get in, Ricey.
That's how I make a difference.
Johnny P, fucking game changer.
It's mentality now.
It's fucking time, Mitch. Mitch, hold your line, hold it. There. No way.
Yes! Get in!
Fucking mentality.
Yes, go on, Reece.
Fucking mentality.
Come on, lads.
All three of you holding there now. Tell them. Mitch.
Mitch, hold your line, hold it. There. No way.
Yes! Get in!
Fucking mentality.
Yes, go on, Reece.
It's alright, who's there? Push it! Somebody fucking slap that little shit!
Yeah, thank you.
Mikey!
I thought it was giving it them there.
No!
Fuck off.
No! Us! Oh my fucking god! Yes! Danny Lewis!
Run it in.
Yes!
Take your time. Thanks for coming. Reece. Oh, that goes through.
Run it in.
Yes!
Take your time.
No. Play, mate.
Hold on, mate. Hold on.
Play, Ricey.
Yes!
Play, mate. Oh, miss me. Cheers, dude.
Impact.
Cheers.
Why are you trying to tell him about that himself?
Every game's different, you know what I mean? It's not the same game, is it? Fuck you!
Oi, man of the match shit.
2024.
Why it's not here at half 10 though, I don't know.
Rim.
Think about
Starman, get him in. Get him in, Starman.
I'm right.
Starman.
You're the best looking lad I've ever seen.
Go on, mate. See you later.
See the pace, Scott.
Cheers. See you later.
See the pace.
Yeah, mate. Fucking Marky Wilson. So, we're doing alright.
Mike!
last minute goal, give him that. Perfect time.
Always.
Come on, mate, he's missing the goal.
Sunday, hurry up! You should let's go!
Semi-final, boys.
In.
We beat the best team there, apparently.
Big cup.
That keeper's a red
Listen, and then we can fuck off. Yeah? You were here, started the fucking game. For 45 minutes, we applied some instruction, not the rest. Okay? We can't come off at half time and be pissed off because you all know you fucking worked. The only thing that changed for me was the fucking mentality. To go back out. 1-0 down, I said we're only 1-0 down. We went out, Rocky 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Then we fucking settled. And then we start to fucking play the game. Do you think you played your best today?
Hard battled in the end.
Nowhere near. Nowhere near. Listen, it's fucking mentality. It's the mentality to go out. When's the last time you had a fucking penalty, Ricey? Never had a penalty. And that's the one to bring us back in. It's bullshit. And I told him, yeah, you're a fucker. Listen, Mikey, end of the game. I tell him to fucking go back in there. Says they can't all win it. Stays out here. Keeper goes up. Would have missed it. And I've been the first to own my mistakes. For me, half of the game, the formation worked. But when we went back to the 4, we were able to dig in. So we just have to find a balance between it. And that's what we're going to work, that's what I'm going to work on anyway. But for me, the fucking difference today is a fucking mentality. It's a winner's mentality.
Listen, man, into the
A
rest.
fucking graft. So a round of applause for your fucking selves.
Sorry.
It was a big fucking game. I'm not in for that. It's like through to the semis. It's a semi-final. 2 more wins and we get the first piece of fucking silverware this club has had. 2 more wins. 2 more fucking wins. Well done. Now you can get the fucking nets.